This little fluffy orange executive is taking a very serious business lunch today while trying to set a world record for banana consumption. The golden retriever is a master of deception, masquerading as a charming gentleman while secretly plotting your domestic downfall. It begins with that signature goofy grin, a face so ridiculously innocent it could probably convince a judge that the chewed rug was actually an intruder. They are widely celebrated as the warm-hearted kings of the canine world, providing endless emotional support and enough cuddles to power a small city. However, the reality of ownership is a furry avalanche. Just when you are mesmerized by those soulful puppy eyes, you realize your entire home is being carpeted in a thick layer of golden glitter. These dogs do not just shed, they perform a strategic tactical deployment of loose fur that defies the laws of physics. Despite the endless vacuuming and the constant chaos, their sheer beauty makes every single tumbleweed of hair worth the trouble.
Nên nuôi Golden phải rất kiên nhẫn, lúc còn nhỏ thì ngây thơ đáng yêu, vừa nghịch vừa hiếu động, nhan sắc thế này. Có làm tim bạn tan chảy không? Có thể bạn chưa muốn nuôi, nhưng bạn thân của bạn chắc chắn muốn. Hẹn gặp lại ở tập sau, đừng quên thả tim cho Golden nhé.
That tiny blue titan really thought he was a full-grown grizzly for a second. Someone tell this spicy meatball he is only 2 apples tall before he accidentally barks himself over. Behold the ultimate multitasker making a grand entrance. This determined feline is currently balancing a sophisticated accessory behind the ear while carrying a bright pink streamer like a hard-earned trophy. With those wide golden eyes and a confident waddle, this cat is clearly late for a very important executive meeting.
Nie решите себя на манджанаре?
Bạn đâu lâu phân bổ. Ấy, qua trôi đi xe ở đâu lâu. Walking down the boulevard of lights, say what something no exactly what.
I was perfectly comfortable on this rug until I sensed a slight disturbance in the force. Now I must leave immediately. Farewell. Behold the lilac mother cat providing a full-service milk buffet for her hungry miniature clones. These fuzzy potatoes are currently draining her battery to 0%. It is a cute furry heist where the payout is strictly premium nap time. Breakfast starts as a quiet solo meal on a fancy silver platter in Tilda. One orange kitten is judging you while the other brain cells sleep. These fuzzy tiny roommates are currently testing the limits of their shared lease by engaging in a very high-stakes wrestling match.
You ever look at your person and think to yourself, wow, how did I land you?
Princesita, mírame, princesita. Princesa hermosa, preciosa. Mírame, princesa. Princesita, mírame. Princesa. Hola, mi amor. Ay, qué lindos ojos tienes, ojos verdecitos. Estás de sueño, ¿eh?
Witness this orange fluff ball attempting to defy the laws of physics. First he is a majestic hunter reaching for the stars, then he turns into a confused potato wondering where his dignity went. Life is hard when you have 0 brain cells and a very fast string. Local kitten remains undefeated by his own shadow. A fierce predator enters the arena to face a colorful feathered beast. Focus remains sharp despite several dizzying maneuvers. Victory seems certain until the target vanishes into thin air. Now the confused warrior stares at the ceiling wondering where his lunch went. Unhand me immediately, you giant hairless ape, or I shall unleash a tiny yet very significant feline chaos.
Biết nói hơn ngày sẽ có nắng ở trong lòng em. Vì sao sáng nay anh đã mang mặt trời đến bên thương siêu em. Hai tiền đều đâu có xa rồi, vì em đã tìm thấy anh trên đời. Sao anh cứ đi loanh quanh, sao anh cứ văng vắng trong đầu em mãi thế, như em cho quen.
Behold the tiny feline overlord in its natural habitat of artificial turf and human subservience. The video begins with a tactical head pat which the subject tolerates with the grace of a king accepting a peasant's tribute. By the second frame we witness the dramatic lift where the kitten realizes gravity is merely a suggestion and its fluff levels have reached critical mass. Note the bewildered expression as it contemplates the vastness of the yard or perhaps just the location of its next snack. As the journey continues, our protagonist attempts a majestic stroll across the green sea only to end. Local stray cat shows up at midnight looking like he survived a 3-round boxing match with a lawnmower just to demand snacks. This tiny street warrior clearly has 0 manners but maximum hunger.
นี่ก็เกิดมาได้หลายเดือนแล้วบ้านก็ดูไม่มีอะไรฐานะก็ดูธรรมดาสมบัติก็คงไม่มีให้ลำบากอีกแล้วสินะชาตินี้